In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my everyday makeup routine. For me, everyday makeup has three essentials. It should be quick and easy. It should highlight my best features and it should have minimalistic product. So I've already done my skincare and now moving into foundations. For foundation, I've taken this L'Oreal Pro Matte foundation. This is one of my current favorite foundation because this lasts more than 12 hours a day. So I usually work 8 to 9 hours a day and I want my makeup to last longer without any touch-up. So this is best for this. So would you guys like to see a review on this foundation? Please comment down below. Now I'm using this buffing brush to blend this. This is just gets really quick with the brush. Now I'm going to use this concealer. This is the Mabylline Fit Me concealer. This is a medium coverage concealer. I'm going to be putting this in the areas that I need special attention, the areas that I have hyperpigmentation, darkness. I'm going to be blending this with the help of this brush. This is another favorite brush of mine. This is the Pac 216 concealer brush. Now this is something I love doing, so I always like to use my lipstick as a blush. I'm using my same foundation brush to blend that in my cheek just for a flush of color. Now I'm going to set my face using this powder from Maybelline Fit Me, and I'm going to pay special attention in the places where I get creases. For everyday makeup, I like to use products that I trust a lot. I'm using this Root Cosmetics palette. This is one of my most favorite and reliable palette because the colors last all day long. So I'm going in for a very simple eye look that you guys can create if you look carefully. It's very easy. I just used two shades, one on my crease and one on the outer and the inner part of my eyes, and I'm blending them well so that all this looks well blended. Now I'm going to take this golden kind of a shade and I'm placing it in the middle part of my eyelid. This will just make my eyes look brighten. So I do this very often and I really like how my eyes look with this. Now I'm using this brow pomade from Pac Cosmetics. I'm in the shade Mud Oak and I'm going to start with my outer part of the brow, and for the brows I have taken this Wet n Wild brush. This is a very good brush at this price point. Guys, I have done a detailed review on very affordable eyeshadow and eye brushes. You can check that out. Link will be in the I button. Now I have taken this black eyeshadow and I'm going to tight line my lash line. So I don't like to wear liners as such because they give a very harsh look. So I like to define my eyes very softly with the help of a eyeshadow, and this eyeshadow is very long lasting. I put it in my upper lash line and also in my lower lash line because that looks really good. Now I'm using a mascara. So this mascara is my favorite one. You guys all know this mascara, I hope. And this mascara is waterproof. That's what I like about this mascara. Even if I get drenched, it will last me a really long time. Now I'm going to set my brows in place with the help of this clear mascara gel. I'm going to pick up a dark brown shade from the palette and I'm going to lightly contour my nose area. Next I'm going to bronze up my face using one color from the palette, and I like to use one palette for all the face tasks in my routine. Now I'm taking this peach blush from Lakme. So this is one of my current favorite right now, because on everyday basis I cannot wear a lot of color in my cheek, yet I love to wear colors. So I choose this blush because this looks very natural and it gives a natural sheen to the face. So last step in my routine is the lipstick. For lipstick I've chosen one of my favorite and everyday worn lipstick. It's the Browning Glory from Sugar. I really cannot explain how much I love this lipstick. It's just one of my favorite one. So that was my video. I hope you guys like it. Please do subscribe to my channel and help me grow. And I will see you next week with a new video. Till then you can watch my other videos. Bye.